Hello guys, today we will be doing a video on unboxing a new product that I have come across. I found this product pretty useful and probably good for many of our users. So I thought of introducing this product today. What I want to show you guys today is a product which is a mouse which doubles up as a wireless mouse and also a Bluetooth mouse at the same time. The good thing about having such a mouse is that you can use it for a wide range of applications. Now, let me just open the product to show how the product actually looks and feels. Okay, we have it inside a package sleeve. I'm taking out the sleeve and you have the mouse here. I had opted to buy a black color mouse of matte finish. Okay, so this is the mouse here. Now let me open up the mouse to get its dongle. Okay, so we have a compartment here that has storage for the wireless mouse dongle, and here you have the dongle of the mouse. Alright, let's keep the dongle aside for the time being because I would first want to introduce to you the Bluetooth pairing side of the mouse. So coming to pairing with Bluetooth, let's see how it fares well on pairing with Bluetooth. Now to pair, you have a switch beneath. I hope you can see it. There is a switch beneath which you can push down to Bluetooth side or wireless receiver mode. Okay, so for the time being I'm pushing it down to the Bluetooth. So you will see that the mouse responds and is blinking to get connected to a Bluetooth signal. Now let me place the mouse here and I will take out my Lenovo M9 tab and let's try to get it connected to the Bluetooth. Okay, now I have here put on the options for Bluetooth and to pair with the Bluetooth. Okay, so when we say to option to pair with the Bluetooth, you will find that see the mouse is already being detected, and once you click there it will say pairing and you can pair with the mouse. As soon as you pair with the mouse, you will see that it is connected and it gives a signal that it has been paired, and you will see that as I move the mouse, since it's connected, let me take it to the other screen. So since I have already connected the mouse, you will see that the cursor for the mouse is already active. See, so I can click on a particular option if I want to. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, now we will move to the section where we will use the dongle of the mouse. to connect to the laptop. Okay, so let me put this aside. Okay, earlier we had taken out the dongle of the mouse from the compartment, which I did mention to you guys, and we had kept it aside. So now, okay guys, now you will see that the dongle of the mouse has been connected in, and like I had told you guys before, there is a switch now which is turned to off position, which you have to move it to the wireless section, which is towards the right side of the mouse, and Bluetooth for the left side. Now as I move it to the right side to the wireless section of the mouse, you will see that on screen it's already been accepted and taken, and the cursor starts to move, and you can go about opening up whatever you want or working with the mouse. Okay, right, so you guys, I believe, got it of how to use this dual mode mouse, which doubles up both as a wireless and Bluetooth mouse at the same time. It's a very useful mouse, and let me also go forward and tell you some more features of this mouse. It's a RGB mouse, as you can see. It's an RGB mouse, and this RGB mouse comes with a Symphony lighting. Okay, I just put it off so that you can see the mouse. When I say Symphony lighting, what I mean by Symphony lighting is that it is lighting that is already built into the mouse, and it has different spectrums which will rotate as you continue to use the mouse. So you will see that the color of the mouse keeps changing. Okay, there is nothing to do about it, it just circles, and you can continue to use the mouse. Another thing is that the mouse is very flat and ergonomical. It's very soft to touch, tactile, very soft, and it comes with a built-in USB port, which is very important and a very useful feature. So you don't have to go hunting for batteries or recharging them and putting them back into the mouse like I had shown you before. It has its compartment where you can store its dongle so that it does not get misplaced, and overall it's a very good mouse to use and buy. So this is all about unboxing the new mouse, which I found very interesting and wanted to share with you guys. So till the next video and we meet again, it is adios from my side. You guys have a great day forward.